Ow.
You're going to have to attach that mortar to something.
Don't light it already. Wait, no, stop. Why are you lighting it now?
What?
If you guys want to die, that's fine. But I'm not gonna die.
Yeah, you want to be safely away.
Now
That has to be attached, or the explosion is going to... I'm telling you. Carolyn, what are you doing?
I'm helping my brother.
Oh, God. Are you going to attach that to the board?
I don't like this.
You were the ambulance guy last night, man. Give her a chance.
Come on, my phone's gonna die.
You can't hold that while he drops it in.
Oh, shit.
Carolyn.
Mom, go away from it, please! Mom, come over here. How? That was nuts! Oh my God, are you okay? Oh my God. Are you okay? Are you okay? Oh my God. Are you okay?
He's fine.
My right eardrum.
Oh, he burnt his arm.
Oh my! Are you okay?
Burned.
Oh,
Shit.
okay.
Let's do the other one.
No.
You
I
can't
don't-
do the other one.
Let's do the other one.
No.
No.
Do the other
No.
one.
No. Please no.